My day job is as an aerospace engineer working in aircraft research. So obviously our cake isn't flying today, but I'm using some of those mechanical skills and how we're going to anchor the tweel to our central clock mechanism. Similar to baking, in engineering, not much goes right first time, and I've had to learn how best to make the tweel biscuit hands. It's really hard to cut them when they're brittle. So taking inspiration from engineering, we power bake them. This would be the equivalent of annealing a metal, say, in engineering, cut them into a final shape, and then put them in the oven to finish baking. I'm delighted with the cake we've made today. I think it's a real inspiration. Hopefully it makes people think about engineering, and it's been great to work on it with two other spectacular bakers and engineers. If I have a tiny whiskey, I'm a tiny spatula.
Size doesn't matter, Andrew.
Save that for the OnlyFans.